Welcome to Greenland, where it's remarkably warm above freezing here as it is in eastern Canada, courtesy of balmy southerly winds. Little consolation for us back home, of course, where the northerlies are in charge. The blue colours here indicating intense cold, and somebody somewhere again will hit -20 tonight, with the added complication over the next day or so of this little front moving down from the northwest. As that encounters the cold air across the UK, it's going to cause some problems. Here comes that front later on tonight, introducing a mixture of rain, sleet and snow to western parts of Scotland and eventually western parts of Northern Ireland. Still some snow showers close to the east coast of England, but in between intensely cold. Yes, somebody somewhere will hit -20. One or two freezing fog patches around as well. Our attention turns to northwest though, a combination of snow and ice. Now this part of the world hasn't seen much of the white stuff so far this spell, so a bit of a shock to the system for Northern Ireland. A few centimetres of snow at 9 o'clock in the morning, pushing into western parts of Scotland too, hitting the Glasgow area fairly promptly. Dry for eastern parts of Scotland for the time being, and some brightness here. Bright start for much of northern England too. Just the last of those snow showers clearing the east coast. A lot of low cloud though across much of the Midlands and eastern England. One or two fog patches around. Very cold start to the day. No sign of a thaw yet. Down across the southwest of England, again one or two freezing fog patches, but mostly dry. Perhaps just the odd shower clipping into the coast of Cornwall and West Wales, but most of Wales will start the day dry, bright, but very cold indeed. And that's the way it's going to stay. As we go through the day, most places will in fact stay dry. Here comes that wintry mix though of rain, sleet and snow through Northern Ireland into parts of Scotland, eventually northwestern parts of England and Wales. So a few centimetres for the likes of Snowdonia and the Cumbrian Fells. Further south and east, mostly dry, but it could stay resolutely rather dull. And again, a very cold night. Temperatures staggering a degree or so above freezing in one or two places. Now, as we go into tomorrow night, again, that mixture of rain, sleet and snow is going to spill across England and Wales. Icy surfaces could well be a problem as temperatures remain close to freezing. On Saturday, just a little bit less cold across southern counties, so a slight thaw here, but a lot of cloud and cold grey sort of day. Looking ahead to next week, guess what? It gets colder again. Much more detail, of course, on all your warnings can be found online. Good night.